Hi, this is Anil. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3 on Mac OS. First, we need to download the Python from the python.org downloads page. I have already downloaded that and I have it here. Just double click this, just click that one and continue and click continue and agree license agreement and click install, and just you need to enter the password. Then Python will start installing on your Mac OS. It's still installing. Yeah, the Python is now installed on my Mac OS. And if you open the terminal, Mac OS by default comes with Python 2.7. To verify that, you can press Python, and now we have Python 2.7.10. After installing Python 3, also we have 2.7. So in order to run Python 3, press Ctrl D to come out. You have to type Python 3. Now we are in Python 3 and we can print hello world. Yeah, to come out, press Ctrl D. And I'll show you how to install Pycharm IDE also in this video. For that, we need to go to Pycharm, JetBrains Pycharm page, Pycharm download. Yeah, go to this page, and we have two editions here. One is professional edition. This is a full feature IDE, and this is commercial. And we have the free open source IDE called Pycharm Community Edition. Just click this download button and it will be installed on your system. I have already downloaded that. Just click that Pycharm IDE, and just you need to click and drop into applications folder. That will install Pycharm application in your computer, and if you double click it, it will open Pycharm IDE. Just click open. Yeah, Pycharm IDE is getting open, and click create new project. Just I will create one sample project here. Yeah, it created one sample project. Here we can create our Python files. Just it also creates virtual environment, and click Python file and start writing print hello world. Now if you run this, it is printing. It is taking the Python interpreter from this virtual environment and running this hello py file, and we got these results. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.